Business expenses are the costs a company pays to operate, earn revenue, and keep the business running. In simple terms, if a cost is necessary for the business and not for personal use, it is usually a business expense. One major type is operating expenses, often called OPEX. These are the everyday costs of running the business. Examples include rent for office space, employee salaries, utilities, internet, advertising, and office supplies. For example, a bakery may pay rent for its shop, electricity for its ovens, and wages for its staff. All of these help the business function day to day. Another type is cost of goods sold, or COGS. These are the direct costs of producing the products or services a business sells. For a clothing store, COGS might include fabric, buttons, thread, and the cost of manufacturing the clothes. For a restaurant, it includes ingredients like meat, vegetables, and spices. COGS is important because it helps measure gross profit. Then there are capital expenses, also called CapEx. These are larger purchases that provide value over a long period of time. Examples include buying machinery, vehicles, computers, or a building. If a company buys a delivery truck, that is a capital expense because it will be used for several years, not just 1 month. Some businesses also have fixed expenses and variable expenses. Fixed expenses stay mostly the same each month, such as rent, insurance, or loan payments. Variable expenses change depending on business activity, like shipping costs, raw materials, or sales commissions. If a company sells more products, its variable costs usually rise too. There are also administrative expenses, which support the overall business rather than directly producing goods. Examples include accounting fees, legal fees, management salaries, and administrative office costs. These expenses keep the company organized and compliant. Finally, there are non-operating expenses. These are costs not directly related to the main business activity, such as interest on loans or losses from selling equipment. Understanding business expenses helps owners track spending, set prices, calculate profit, and make smarter financial decisions.